Hey, sometimes when you have a lot of things to do, you tend to do something that you're not supposed to do, like I did today. I made a space gun that can be connected to my synths. So if I connect it, I have space gun sound. But that's boring, so if I add a little bit of echo, too clean, so in the feedback loop on the echo I'll put my distortion, so it gets a little bit darker. Yeah, so I'll show you how you can integrate this with the modular. Okay, so the connections on this thing are as follows. I have a line out, an on switch, and I can trigger it manually. And I also have a gate in. I have a gate out to trigger other things, so I can trigger things with the trigger. And then I also have these three outs that correspond to the three lamps that turn on. So I can trigger things with that too. So I'll put this aside a little bit, because let's see if I can put it so you can see both. This one, I'll turn it this way maybe. No, this is a little bit awkward, but that works. And fix the focus a bit. So what I've done, I've connected this to the Likaon Instruments Mandala that I actually got yesterday. So it's a new module to me, but I really like it, so I wanted to have it in this thing. So yeah, if I start the mandala, yeah, well then you get these triggers. So it is a Euclidean circle thing, but it is a lot more. It's also sequencer, and it's doing envelopes and stuff. So I'm just beginning to learn this, but it's basically all the things I usually use built into one module. So I think it's awesome. So anyway, if I continue and also set up some kind of speech button here that attenuates things so you can hear what I'm saying. So if I just start playing with this a little bit. Yeah, and you can hear that it can be a little bit overwhelming with space laser sounds. So I have another channel here that I have connected to an LFO. So if I control the VCA with that one, and then I trigger or tempo sync the VCO. Oh, yeah, VCA, I mean. yeah, that becomes a little bit more interesting. And you can do things like this. Very, very performative. And maybe some drums, or rather more drums. And the compression you can hear is because I'm running everything through my M2 mix module that has a built-in limiter, so you get some kind of glue compression in it. Yeah, and as I said, it's also sequencer. So I have my Dominion, this one. That one is also connected. And it's on channel 5. Yeah, the sequence that you're hearing, since the Mandala can have not just 16 steps, but lots and lots of, I think it's 128, the bass sequence is 36 steps long, just because I could. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a fun one. So if I'm changing back to normal position again. Yeah. So as you may have understood, this thing started as a toy belonging to my son, who spray painted it black, and then he was going to throw it away, and I thought, well, that's basically an oscillator, isn't it? So he gave it to me, and I've done the modifications. So if you feel like this is interesting, leave a like and a comment, and I can make a video on how to modify toys into CV controllable stuff like this. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Bye.